Hello students. Welcome in Mathematics Made Easy. In today's lecture, we will talk about simultaneous equations and solution of simultaneous equations. Let's come to the definition of simultaneous equations. The terms simultaneous equations and systems of equations refer to conditions where two or more unknown variables are related to each other through an equal number of equations. Let's see in examples. Here we have taken two different types of simultaneous equations. In first system, both of the equations are linear. They have x and y as variables. These are two equations and having two variables. Therefore, these equations are according to the definition of simultaneous equations, in which number of equations are equal to the number of variables. In second system of equations, the first equation is linear in two variables x and y, while the second is equation of degree 2 but also in two variables. Hence these are also according to the definition of simultaneous equations. In this lecture, we will learn the techniques of solving these simultaneous equations one by one. Let us take the first system of simultaneous equations, in which there are two linear equations in two variables. Dear students, keep this point in your mind. Whenever we are asked to solve a system of equations, or to solve a single equation, it always means to find the values of the involved variables. Every system of equations can be solved using many methods. Here, we will use the method of substitution. In substitution method, we take the value of one variable from an equation, and we put that value in place of that variable in the other equation. Let us take the first equation. Solving this equation for y, or we can say that taking the value of y from this equation, which is 3 minus 2x. Now taking the second equation, which is x minus y is equal to 2. Now, in place of y, we will put its value, which is 3 minus 2x. Now, we have only one variable x in this equation. Therefore, solving the equation for x, we can find x easily, just using simple arithmetic rules. Hence, we got x is equal to 5 divided by 3. Now putting the value of x in that equation where we had taken the value of y. Dear students, here we have another notable point, that we can put this value of x here in any equation where x and y both variables are present. Putting the value of x, we got an equation of one variable y. Now, this equation can be easily solved for y using simple arithmetic rules. Hence, in this way, we got the value of variable y also, which is minus 1 divided by 3. The solution set includes these value of x and y, which are 5 divided by 3 and minus 1 divided by 3. It was all about the solution of simultaneous equations when we have two linear equations in two variables are given. Now taking the second system of equations, in which we have a linear equation and an equation of degree 2. We will solve the system of equation again by using substitution method. Here we will take the linear equation first. We will take the value of one variable from the linear equation and will put that value of variable in second equation in place of that variable. Let's see. Taking the linear equation, solving this equation for x or for y, as it can be easily solved for x, therefore solving for x, we got x is equal to 4 minus 3y. Now taking the second equation, putting the value of x in this equation. Now expanding 4 minus 3y whole square, we got the next step. Then on rearranging, we got a quadratic equation in y, and we know that we can solve a quadratic equation using quadratic formula or factorization or completing the square method. Solving this equation for y, using quadratic formula, we got two values for y, which are y is equal to 7 divided by 5 and y is equal to 1. Now, we will put these values of y one by one in equation number 1. To get the corresponding value of x, for each value of y, we will get a value of x. Let us take equation 1 for further process. When y is equal to 7 over 5, equation 1 becomes like this. Now it is a linear equation in one variable x, therefore can be easily solved. Hence, we got x is equal to -1 divided by 5. Now taking the second value of y, which is y is equal to 1. Putting again in equation number 1. We have a linear equation in one variable x. By simplification, we got the value of x, which is also 1. Here, we see that for each value of y, we got a value of x. Now we will put these values in solution set. Each value of x will be written with its corresponding value of y in the form of order pairs. When x is equal to -1 divided by 5, then y is 7 divided by 5, and when x is 1, then y is 1. Dear students, in today's lecture, we learned the technique of solving simultaneous equations. I hope now you can apply this technique to any sort of system of equations. Thank you for watching. See you in next lecture. Goodbye.